tatmolenda and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to react to ToppDogg Rainy Day. Oh, let's see if I say 비가 와서 그래. I think that's right. Do I know ToppDogg? No. I mean, I listened to the beat. I've never watched the beat though, so maybe I should react to that too. Frick, another one to add on. But yes, I hear a lot of people commenting that ToppDogg is really underrated. They're not promoted very well, so to speak. I don't know. This is what I've read. This is what I've heard. So, and they get looked past by a lot. And I know I've seen ToppDogg in a lot of Megan Bowen's 처음에 미국 사람 videos. So they seem really cool, really funny. And I'm just gonna stop talking, and we're just gonna start this, okay? Ooh. The pink hair, yes! Oh, I felt like Big Bang for a second. The guy with the pink hair is cute. So how many are they? 3, 6... No. I just remember seeing them in challenges that they've done, and it's just so funny. Okay, is there 9? 3, 6, 9. Oh, there's 9. He's cute too. Okay. Ooh, ooh! The dark hair. Well, now there's another one in there. Sorry, my highlighter. Oh, hello. I like how there's like do one part and walk one. Ooh, the outfits are nice. Hello. He has such a bad boy look, but such a soft voice. Oh yes. I like this. Smooth, but it makes you want to body roll to it. Oh, 비가 와서 그래. I said it right. I think 비가 와서 그래. I said it right. I'm so proud of myself. I'm gonna look back and realize I didn't actually say it right. 그래. 비가 와서 그래. I think that's right. Ooh, this guy. They're actually very beautiful. I think they all have a unique look. I like it. Yeah. 비가 와서 그래. Yeah. Oh, I enjoyed that very, very much. I think I'm gonna go watch their other videos because, yeah, that was so good. I give that a thumbs up. Definitely gonna check them out more. I want to check them out. They seem really cool and funny. Anyways, that was it for today. So I will see you guys all next time. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Let me know down below if you have any other lists for requests, for reactions, and I will see you all next time. 안녕.